What are accounting policies? Accounting policies are the rules and methods a business uses to record and report financial information. They explain how financial transactions are treated in the accounts. In simple words, accounting policies are the guidelines a company follows in accounting. Accounting policies help ensure consistency and accuracy in financial reporting. They are based on accounting standards and legal requirements. Common accounting policies include methods for depreciation, inventory valuation, and revenue recognition. For example, a company may choose straight-line depreciation or reducing balance depreciation. A company may use FIFO or weighted average method for inventory. Accounting policies affect profit, assets, and liabilities shown in financial statements. Once accounting policies are chosen, they should be applied consistently every year. Any change in accounting policy must be disclosed in financial statements. Accounting policies help users understand how financial numbers are calculated. They improve transparency and comparability between companies. Accounting policies are important for investors, auditors, and regulators. In simple terms, accounting policies are the accounting rules a business follows. Easy way to remember. Accounting policies mean the rules used to prepare accounts.